Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return for stipend. First, understand that most stipends are taxable, especially if they cover living expenses. However, some educational stipends might be tax-free if used for qualified expenses like tuition or books. It's crucial to identify the nature of your stipend. Next, collect all necessary tax documents, such as Form 1099 MISC, Form 1099 NEC, or any official stipend letters you received, as these will detail your income. When reporting your stipend, the method depends on its purpose. If your stipend is a taxable scholarship or fellowship, report it on Form 1040, Schedule 1, Line 8R. If you received a Form 1099 MISC or 1099 NEC for services, it might be considered self-employment income, requiring a Schedule C. Be careful not to mistakenly report taxable scholarship income as substitute W-2 or 1099 income, as this can lead to incorrect tax calculations. Since taxes are often not withheld from stipends, you might need to pay estimated taxes quarterly using Form 1040-ES to avoid penalties. This is generally required if you expect to owe more than $1,000 in additional tax. If your stipend is considered self-employment income, you'll also owe self-employment tax, which is 15.3% for Social Security and Medicare. Remember, you can deduct 1/2 of your self-employment tax from your gross income. Always keep detailed records of your stipend income and any expenses you incurred, as this documentation is vital for accurate reporting and claiming deductions. Utilizing tax software can guide you through the process, or you may consult a tax professional for personalized advice, especially with complex situations. They can help ensure you're compliant and optimize your financial position. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.